खुलुमबाय बड'सा स्टुडिअ बयखौबो बरायबाय स्टुडिअ दं आं रिमा बसुमतारी मिरु सरकारनि रांखान्थि बिफाननि मन्थ्रि निर्मला सीतारमणआ पार्लियामेन्टनि लोकसभायाव मैया 2021 बोसोरनि सरासनस्रा रांखान्थि बाजेटखौ फोसावना होबाय। मिरुनि रांखान्थि मन्थ्रिया लोकसभायाव फोसावना होनाय बे रांखान्थि बाजेटआव बिटिआरजों लोगोसे आसामनि मोनथाम काउन्सिलफोरनि थाखायबो रांखान्थि बाजेटखौ फोसावनानै होयो। रांखान्थि बाजेटआव रायखांनाय बायदिब्ला 2021 बोसोरनि थाखाय डनार बिफाननि सिङाव बिटिआर जौगाखांनायनि थाखाय 11 कौटि रांखौ हरनो फोसावनाय जायो। बेनि अनगायैबो कार्बि आंलंनो 37 कौटि आरो दिमा हासावनो 22 कौटि रांखौ हरनो फोसावो मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमणआ।
ऑनरेबल
आपको बोलने का मौका दूंगा बजट के बाद माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर, I present the budget for the year 2021-2022. As introduction, Honorable Speaker, the preparation of this budget was undertaken in circumstances like never before. We knew of calamities that have affected a country or a region within a country. But what we have endured with COVID-19 through 2020 is sui generis. When I presented the budget 2020-2021, we could not have imagined that the global economy, already in throes of a slowdown, would be pushed into an unprecedented contraction. We could not have also imagined then that our people, as those in other countries, would have to endure the loss of near and dear ones and suffer hardships brought about due to a health crisis. The risk of not having a lockdown was far too high. Within 48 hours of declaring a 3-week-long complete lockdown, the Prime Minister announced the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, valued at 2.76 lakh crores, that provided free food grain to 800 million people, free cooking gas for 80 million families for months, and cash directly to over 400 million farmers, women, elderly, the poor, and the needy.
रायखांनो गोनांदि बिटिआरनि गाहाय खुंगिरि प्रमद बर'आ मिरुनि रांखान्थि फोसावनायनि सिगां बाजेटनि सायाव मोजां मिजिंथिनायखौ फोरमायदोंमोनब्लाबो नाथाय बिटिआरनि थाखाय बाजेटआव 11 कौटि रांखौल' मोननो हादों।